also today I will test on smart cardot system 1100A. I will test immobilizer feature about this product. And sometime you turn off the engine and you open the car door and close the car door. You will leave your car and this system will be auto-locked. If someone break your car window glass and push start, it will make an alarm. In this video, I will test this feature. This is anti-safety feature. Okay. Firstly, this is this smart key red LED blinks. It means the PKE feature is working. Okay. This unlocks. This is unlock. Okay. Unlock state. This is the oil password. This is what cable is foot brake 12. You unlock and you press foot brake. See the button. Yes, start. This is on. This LED bulb is to test the on signal. This is LED bulb to test the start signal. This is instant signal. It will on and off. Now it means this slim button light is red and blue mixed color. Okay, it means successful. Okay, I put stop. Start. I will test the time. Okay, now I will take two remotes away from this. Okay, from this PK antenna. Okay, this PKE is off. Is off. Okay, if you want this enable PKE, you need to use this side to touch the negative. PKE will be enabled. In the second video, I will test the PKE. Okay, PKE enabled. Now PKE is disabled. I will take away smaller key away from my unity. Okay. I just take out two smart key remote from PKE antenna. Smart key is without range of PKE induction. Okay. Now 1 minute. Okay. Wait 1 minute. Okay. This is a foot brake on the oil password. Please wait almost 10 seconds. 1 minute and a half. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Okay. Start. And you can start. Okay. Now try it again. Start. 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 关这个视频。